Hi dear friends, today we are going to see heat transfer. So in this topic, first let us learn about what is heat transfer. So heat transfer is the movement of heat energy from one substance to another. So in graphical form, generally the heat flows from high energy to low energy, means hotness to the coldness. So heat energy always moves from a warmer substance to a cooler substance, means from red to blue. Then heat will continue to move until both substances are the same temperature, just like zeroth law of thermodynamics. After some time, both this red and blue will come to the same temperature. Now, the greater the difference in the temperature between the substances, the faster the heat will transfer. Now, there are three types of heat transfer that we have to study. First one is conduction, second is convection, and third one is radiation. Examples: you touch a black car in the summer and the heat from the car transfers into your hand. You feel the cold of a winter day because the cold air transfer into you. A breeze makes you feel cooler because the wind transfer heat away from your body. Your coke in a cooler gets cold because the cold from the ice moves into the coke. So these are the examples and anti-examples. Now conduction. So let us study about conduction. So heat transfer by conduction is the transfer of heat through direct contact. Suppose there is directly contact with any metal, and if you sense the temperature, so it is called conduction. In this figure, the red body is the hot body and the blue body is the cold body. When they are in direct contact with each other, then the heat transfer takes place. So this is called conduction. Molecules transfer energy to the molecules next to them. So as shown in the figure, suppose you have touched a hot surface, then you senses the temperature. The molecules do not have to be the same substance. Then example 1, warm water and cool water. The metal conduct heat from the cup of warm water to the cup of cool water. So if they are directly in contact with each other, that time the heat transfer takes place. Then example 2, your coke becomes cold because the heat from the soda transfer into the ice, not the other way around. So just like your cold drink. So it is your cold drink. No matter what it feels like, cold does not transfer into your body. What is really happening here? Why do we wear heavy clothes when it's cold outside? To protect ourselves. Now, radiation. Heat transfer by the radiation is the transfer of heat through electromagnetic waves, just like the waves from sun to the earth, as in between this there is no media outside the earth, because outside the atmosphere, outside the earth, there is no any medium, no gases are present. Even if the solar radiations, means the sun rays, are traveling from sun to our earth, so this is called radiation. So there is no direct contact between the substances in radiation. Just I have given you example. Heat from the sun radiates through empty spaces to earth. The heat from the campfire transfers into your marshmallow, giving you a yummy great. So this is also the example of radiation. Now last one is convection. So heat transfer by convection is the transfer of heat transfer by the convection is the transfer of heat through the fluid, liquids and gases, movement of current. So in this, the heat transfer takes place through the fluids such as liquid and gases. Now this is the example of convection. Now as shown in the figure, the red one is the hot and blue one is the cold. So warm fluids rise, cool down, sink and then are warm again. So this is the cyclic process. The radiator warms the room by warming the air around it. Then the warm air transfers heat to the rest of the room through convection. So as you all know that the cool air is having high density and the hot air is having low density. That's why this circulation is continuously takes place by using this radiator. Again there is an example. As the air above the road warms up, it rises and is replaced by the cooler air, forming a convection current. So this is the example of convection. Again, as shown in the picture, there are three forms: conduction, convection, radiation. So we are holding the handle of this particular pan so that we are directly in contact or senses the heat. So this is the conduction. The water molecules or the water present in the pan get heated and this heat transfer towards all these molecules, toward all this water particle. So this is the convection, means hot water will come up, cold water will come down, and again this cold water get hot and again it comes up. So this is the convection heat transfer. Then radiation. So in radiation there is no direct contact, so the pan is having certain distance from the fire. So because only even if there is water inside the pan gets heated. So this picture illustrates all the three types of heat transfers. So thank you very much. I would like to